Now that you've decided to replace your countertop, you're probably wondering what comes next. This short video will walk you through the entire process. The first step is the design, product selection, and pricing. This will take place at Creative Encounters showroom, where you can examine and compare all of the products available. Whether you want granite, manufactured stone, or seamless solid surface materials, we have it all. If you order granite, you will be able to choose your actual slab from an enormous selection in our yard. Next, our technician will come to your home to make a template for your new countertop. If you are replacing an existing laminate top, we can usually template without disturbing anything. For new cabinetry, everything must be in place and level. The actual templating is done electronically, and the results will be digitally downloaded back at our manufacturing facility. Your order will be checked and reviewed for accuracy, and the digital information from the template will be downloaded into our design computers. Next, one of our CAD programmers will turn the data from your template into a complete design and finally convert it into the machine language which our computer-controlled manufacturing equipment understands. Because of the unique color patterns of some granite, before manufacturing begins, we may ask you to return to the factory in Mount Airy to take advantage of a wonderful new technology called the Slabsmith. Using a digital photograph of the granite slab you chose from our yard, and some very special software which combines that photo with the design used for cutting the slab, you can visualize how the seams will affect the granite's color pattern. This additional step also assures the fewest possible seams in your granite countertop. Finally, it's time to manufacture. Rough rectangular cuts are first made with a saw. If curved sides are involved, those radius cuts are made with a saw jet, a device which cuts stone using a high-pressure water stream which carries abrasive garnet. Imagine cutting stone with water. Another additional step is taken with granite. Grooves are cut on the bottom side, and fiberglass rods are sealed in place with polyester resin. This stabilizes and strengthens the granite, making it much less likely to crack during its lifetime. Next, the cutting program is loaded into the CNC system for each piece of granite or manufactured stone. An overhead laser marks the position of suction pods on the table of this machine. Then the laser projects the outline shape of the pieces to be finished in order to place them in proper position. They are held in place by air suction. Press the start button, and this amazing machine finishes all of the edges to the exact size and profile ordered. But as perfect as machines can be, stone still needs the human touch. Visual inspections and final touch-ups will assure that you always receive a quality finished product. All that's left is to deliver and install your new countertops. In most cases, this is done in one day. By coordinating with your plumber, you will normally be using your new countertop the same or next day. Once the new top is in place and secured, the sink and backsplashes are installed. Of course, before we leave, we will clean up after ourselves. That's it. Now you know how easy it is to enjoy a brand new countertop from Creative Encounters.